Hi, Amiyah. This is your reading buddy, Bob, again. How's the smartest first grader I know? Hope you are still healthy and safe, and that you and your family are doing well as we are sheltering in place during the coronavirus. The story we're going to read now is Alex Likes Noise. Do you like noise or do you like peace and quiet? He seems to be enjoying all the noise around him. Fip, pip, 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 pip. Blah, blah. Alex Likes Noise, written by Anne Harth, who writes all of these stories. Alex lived in the city. He loved the city sounds. Well, that's good. Horns beeped and buses roared. Doors slammed and tires squealed. People talked and children laughed. We're moving to the farm, Dad said. Uh-oh. You think that's going to make Alex happy? He likes all the sounds of the city, all the activity going on around him. And a farm, there's probably no people around for a long way. It's probably very quiet out there. Alex was sad. I will miss the city. The country will be too quiet. Poor Alex. Alex and Dad drove to the country. Alex stood outside. He listened. What do you think he heard? Probably not any of the city sounds, but I'll bet there are a lot of sounds out in the country too. Frogs croaked and birds tweeted. Pew, pew. Moo. Croak, ribbit. There are a lot of sounds out in the country. Horses whinnied and cows mooed. Chickens clucked and ducks quacked. Are those the sounds all those animals make? Alex smiled. The country isn't quiet at all. Well, that was interesting. Here are the comprehension questions. What did Alex hear in the city? Do you remember? He heard horns beeping, buses roaring, doors slamming, tires squealing, people talking, children laughing. He heard all the city sounds. What did Alex hear in the country? Do you remember? I think there were a lot of animal sounds. In the country, he heard frogs croaking, birds tweeting, horses whinnying, cows mooing, chickens clucking, ducks quacking. He heard a lot of noises. Where is Alex moving to? Do you remember? When Dad came to him, what did he say? We're moving to the farm. And Alex said the country, out of the city, will be too quiet. How does Alex feel about the city? I remember the title is Alex Likes Noise. I think he loved the city sounds. that's the end of this story. Since this one was so short, I think I will record a third one for today. And then we'll do some more next week. We'll see you then. Bye.